Welcome to What's in the Box, where we uncover the past, one box at a time. Jesus Christ. Today, we're going to be unboxing some incredible vintage items sent in by customers. Starting off tame, we're going to be ending with something a little bit gruesome. Let's go. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, that's lovely. It's quite weighty. Looks to be gold plated. It's in the shape of a globe. I wonder what it could be. What do you think it is? A paperweight? A pocket globe for a world traveller. There's a hinge here, has a button to press here, which opens it up, and here we can see it's a compact with the mirror and powder inside it. That's a Pygmalion novelty compact dating from around the 1950s. It's a lovely item, great condition. A lady could slip this into her purse or a bag, take it out when she needs it and powder her nose, and simply pop it back away. Let's see what's in the box. Right, so this is made from wood. It's got a hinged handle here. This slides. There's a lens for the left and a lens for the right eye. Binoculars? No. And some image cards. There's two images. Again, one from the left, one from the right. I know what this is. It's a stereoscope. Early 1900s Monarch wood stereoscope. So the user could place the image in here, like so. Finding the correct distance, it gives the illusion of 3 dimensions. Brilliant. This would have been very popular in the early 1800s to 1900s. Before TikTok, before television, this allows someone to see the world in 3 dimensions without even having to leave their own home. Brilliant. What have we got here then? Oh, it's a 2-parter. So first off, we have some eucalyptus oil. Says on here it's for colds. Brilliant for this time of year. From Commercial Street, Halifax. Let's see what the second part is, shall we? Oh, that's got some age to it. In that box. Oil burner, maybe? Maybe you can make a cup of tea by the side of your bed. No, I know what this is. This is a vapocresylene vaporizer used in the treatment of asthma, whooping cough and bronchitis. The user would fill this glass violet with paraffin, set it alight, fill this with their given oils and leave it burning overnight. It would clear the air, clear the sinuses. I don't know how effective it is, but I'm sure it smells great. We use things like these today in the form of oil diffusers, and yeah, they do smell great. I wonder what we have here then. Right, it's weighty. Looks to be made from steel. Some incisions here. Something for grip maybe. Oh, a twisting mechanism. Could it be a music box? There's a button to press. What do you think it is? I know what it is. It's an antique Victorian scarificator, used in the medical practice of bloodletting, similar to what leeches were used for, right from the Victorian period all the way back to the Egyptians, used in things like acne, diabetes, even used to treat the plague. However, it was shown that these practices had no positive effect on those illnesses. Quite a bit of gruesome history for you there. Oh. This has been What's in the Box. Thank you for watching. Leave us a like, comment what your favourite item from today was down below, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.